Assalamualaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal everyone. This is Muhammad Khan. Welcome to our YouTube channel Mocha Bros. I hope you all are doing good in this pandemic. मेरा दोस्त कन्हैया आल खत्री अभी तो नहीं है मेरे साथ यहाँ पे. मे बी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग फनी एक्ट करेंगे. देखना, बेहतरीन वीडियो रहेंगी. देख देख के पेट ऐसा खुद के लौट के हंसोगे आप लोग देख के. इंशाल्लाह देखना, वो बेहतरीन वीडियो रहेगी. और लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करना ज़रूरी मोका ब्रोस को. आज हम यहाँ पे बात करने वाले हैं अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो पे. आपके लिए एक बेहतरीन चीज़ लेके आए हैं हम लोग. देखना, खुश हो जाएगा दिल देख के. और शिट, मेरे अंग्रेजी भाइयों, we're gonna check it out today. Something different, something new. We're gonna unbox today. Let's go and check it out. That's gonna be a very good thing. So I'm here guys. आप लोग क्या सोच रहे थे कि मैं भाग गया? भाई कहीं पे भी नहीं गया था. बंदा बुलाया था, हैदराबादी मरफे पे डांस करेंगे बोलता. दे डांस करके मत डाल के आया उधर. समझ में नहीं आया, मैं दूसरे भाई को. Guys, let's go. Open this, unbox this huge box. तो ये चीज़ है, देखो ये चीज़ की बात कर रहा था. This is the thing which I'm talking about. Can't wait bro, can't wait for this moment. This is 27 inches Apple iMac 5K Retina display. बेहतरीन चीज़ है. और आपको इसके स्पेसिफिकेशंस थोड़े बता देता हूँ. ये है 3.8 GHz core 10th generation i7 core processor and 32 GB of RAM, 512 हार्ड डिस्क है इसका. और बेहतरीन चीज़ है, एक्सटेंड भी कर सकते हैं. और बस मैं 512 GB का लिया हूँ. And it also come along with a magic mouse too and magic trackpad too. So let's go unbox this. Ta-da! Look. So this is iMac 5K Retina display, 27 inches. This is how it's gonna look like from sideways. So slim and so thin. And this is how it's gonna look like from that way. I'm loving it, bro. I'm loving the way they made it, and it's so slidable. See, you can adjust the screen. Wow. And you can look it from that side too. And as you can see over here, you have all the slots. USB slots over here, C-type cable slot, Ethernet cord over here, you can plug it in, and this is the auxiliary wire. I don't know what about this one, but this is something different. So yep. So let's check it out. What is there in that? Open the small box. I think they have it has a bunch of accessories which comes with this display. So as usual, you will see the design Apple California printed on top of it, and there we go. See, this is cute small box which has like a bunch of things. A keyboard is there. Let's open the keyboard first. Let's see how it is. Wow, this is so small, so tiny, so slim, super sexy. Wow. And it is wireless though. देख रहे भाई लोग. And it has a lightning cable slot too, so you can charge this wireless keyboard. and it is like in this shape, see, like V shapes. Cute. So this is keyboard. Keep this on side. Let's see what's in there. I think this is a same manual book, I guess. As we can see, in every Apple product they will put this manual book. Let's open this and see. Oh, as usual, you can see two logos of Apple. Which we never use, so it's gonna go. We're gonna throw this. So, and all this manual things. They're gonna show us all the headphone jacks, all this names, and this new thing. I haven't seen this thing in the phone. I think this is a cloth to clean the display or keyboard or mouse or something like that. I haven't got the iMac before, so this is my first time, so I'm seeing this. It's pretty cool thing. So yep, this is the first time they put something useful in this. Sorry, Apple. And yep, this is the cable. You can charge this. Yeah, you can charge phone, keyboard, anything with this. So good thing. And yep, as you can see, this is mouse, Magic Mouse 2. This is so cool. You see the curves on this? The curves on this mouse. Wow, I'm loving it. I had the same mouse I used to use before with a MacBook Pro, but I don't know, it's not working. I think it got defected, I guess. So it's a cool thing. I can use this with display. I can use this with any Apple product. Only the MacBooks, not the phones. I cannot use with this one, with the phone. Only the displays and the laptop I can use this with. So just keep this on the side. And this is the charged one. You can charge this with this cable. Before we used to get the mouse, it has to be the battery in there, but now it comes with the rechargeable mouses. So you can charge this mouse with the Apple card. So I think there's something else. Yeah, wow. So this is the Magic trackpad. So good. You see, you can see the logo in the back. It's too bright over here, I guess you can see, but as you can come or close, you can see the logo, and from here it is like this. So you can keep it like this and just the screen. This trackpad is so flexible and you can use it very good way. So if your display is so far, like in 5 meters, you can keep this and you can take this with you and you can use it from far too. So this is the best thing, and this is chargeable too. You can see the charge slot over here. You can charge it from here too. So yep, so you will get like a trackpad too, mouse, card, and the keyboard. See, this is some of the things which you will get with the display. भाइयों और बहनों, ये एक मेरे लिए तो बहुत बेहतरीन चीज़ है। क्यों बोलो तो मैं वीडियोस बनाता हूँ, अपलोड करता हूँ, और ये चीज़ ये बहुत यूज़फुल चीज़ है यूट्यूब वीडियोस बनाने के लिए, एडिटिंग करने के लिए। आपके बहुत अच्छे सॉफ्टवेयर्स रहते हैं इसके अंदर। सो आई एम गोना लव इट। होप इफ़ यू गाइस आर बाइंग दिस, इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, just to let you know, it is very expensive, but it is so useful and so good. All kind of softwares you will get, and you will never feel like having a virus or like getting stuck in between, getting frozen. So you will never deal with that unflexibilities. So yep. So guys, I just completed the setup and everything. I try. Yep, this is how it looks like when you set it up everything, and this is how the desktop and screen looks like. This is 4K, 5K display, 27 inches iMac. This is so good. I'm loving it. The features, the clarity, the resolution, so beautiful over here. You can see the clarity of the picture, and I'm gonna show you the applications over here. It has so good applications inside over here, and if you're missing in some applications from here, you can just go to the App Store over here and install whatever you wanted to install. So yep, the most important thing I wanted to install initially is Final Cut Pro or the Premiere Pro or iMovies in this one, because it's the most important thing for my videos. I can edit it so beautifully and so nicely, and it is so good. And yep, it has very good features in that. So I'm just looking forward to work on it. And if you want to link in your iCloud into it and link in all your phone contacts and everything, Gmail, you can go and link it from here. And in the setting, if you want to set this up, the screen according to the climate, location, according to the sunrise and sunset, you can set it up from here too in the display. Just go to the display, put the display on the automatic according to the location. See, it says go to this night shift, schedule sunset to sunrise. So it is gonna change the color of the screen as per the whatever weather it's a sunrise or sunrise, sunset time, sunrise time. If you turn on the desktop in the morning, it's gonna go white, looks like a all sunrise thing. If you go in the night, turn it on, the desktop is gonna go all the way dark, so it's gonna reflect, it's gonna fluctuate, so how it's gonna look like. So it's pretty cool thing. You guys love this video, and please I'm gonna show you something. Let's go over here. Let's use this trackpad now. I'm using this trackpad. Go to the YouTube, type Mocha Bros. You see, this is my channel. So please guys, this is my channel. So this is my channel. And this is my brother. He is not here. Hopefully he's gonna be in the next video. So I hope you guys like this video, and make sure please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video if you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, peace out, take care of yourself, and hope you guys have a good days nowadays, because it's a pandemic still. So take care of yourself. Peace out.